In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your Wise balance using various payment methods like a debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a linked bank account. This method is pretty flexible and useful whether you're using your Wise account for personal reasons or business transactions. So let's get started and add some funds to your account. First, you'll need to log into your Wise account. You can do this by visiting the Wise website on your computer or by using the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Either way, the process is essentially the same, but the app might be a bit more convenient if you're on the go. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at your home screen. Here, you'll find an overview of all your currency balances. Now, take a look and select the currency you want to add money to. If you haven't opened a balance in that particular currency yet, you'll have to do that first. Don't worry, it's simple. Just look for the Open option or the plus icon. It's usually quite intuitive to find. After you've selected or opened your desired currency, it's time to add money. On the screen, you should see an Add or Add Money button. Give that a tap or a click, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you'd like to add to your balance. At this point, make sure to also select the currency you'll be paying with. It could be the same or different from the currency you're adding to, depending on what you're planning to do. Next, it's time to choose your payment method. Wise gives you several options, so select one that suits you best. Whether you prefer a bank transfer using your debit or credit card, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay, each method will have its unique advantages. Importantly, you'll see the fees and estimated arrival time for your chosen method. This transparency is one of the things people love about Wise, so be sure to review this information before proceeding. After you've settled on your payment method, go ahead and select Continue to Payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your transaction. This may involve confirming your payment details or entering a one-time password, whatever's required to ensure your transaction is both smooth and secure. Lastly, a crucial tip. Make sure that the name on your payment method matches the name on your Wise account. This little detail helps to avoid any unnecessary delays or complications in processing your payment. And that's it. With these easy steps, you now know how to fund your Wise balance using a variety of payment options. It's a straightforward process that gives you flexibility and in managing your cross-border transactions. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.